Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will discuss processing of poultry products. First, let's review the properties of poultry meat. Poultry meat is usually high in proteins, low in fat, excellent source of essential amino acids, and also a good source of minerals like phosphorus, iron, copper, zinc, and vitamin B12 and B6. Dark meat and skin are usually higher in fat than white meat. Let's review the processing step of poultry meat, which we have already discussed in detail. First of all, ante-mortem inspection, suspension and shackling of each bird by the legs, stunning with electrical shock, bleeding, scalding, pickling, removing of pin feathers, evisceration, chilling in ice water, post-mortem inspection, then grading, and after that, packaging of the meat. The key trends affecting the market are consumer preference for convenience lead to the products that reduce preparation time yet increase portability. Products for children include fun shapes to appeal children and healthy varieties to appeal their parents. New products that enhance the built-in healthfulness of poultry. New packaging innovation focus on preserving freshness, microwaveability, and convenience. Per capita consumption of poultry has increased due to increased availability of poultry and also the large variety of products made from poultry meat. Often these products are similar to traditional red meat products like hot dogs, sausages, salami, and etc. Many new products use mechanically separated poultry meat, which is grounded to fine emulsion for curing, seasoning, smoking, and processing. Let's discuss some value-added egg products. A simple, cost-effective and efficient technology developed for pickling of eggs for up to 4 months of the storage and marketing at ambient temperature in ready-to-eat form. Salted chicken eggs. A simple technique for preparation of intact salted chicken shell eggs has been developed, which is usually needed for using salt prior to serve boiled eggs and hence convenient product for egg vendors. Albumin rings. Albumin rings are basically egg snack food prepared by cooking the blended egg albumin in ring molds. Battering and breading the coagulated albumin prior to deep fat frying. It can be popularized as egg snack at growing fast food outlets. Egg rolls. It is a nutritious, tasty and convenient egg product suitable for meals or as snack food. This product offers a potential market at growing fast food outlets. Egg rolls filled with about 80% scrambled egg and 20% chicken meat mixture. Was rated best in flavor, texture and overall acceptability. Egg rolls have a refrigerated shelf life of about 8 days in vacuum and 6 days in aerobic packages. Egg crepes. Egg crepe is a thin, fat, circular product and may be filled with meat or vegetable and rolled or folded. It is an egg-rich product and can be popularized as a convenient egg item at growing food outlets and at homes. Crepes has a shelf life of about 22 days in vacuum and 20 days in aerobic packaging at refrigeration temperature, which is 4 degrees centigrade, and for 60 days at freezing temperature of minus 18 degrees centigrade in both vacuum and aerobic packaging. Egg waffles. Egg waffles is waffle is basically a nutritious, light, crispy and versatile snack food for the breakfast. This product offers a potential market at growing fast food outlets. Egg waffles prepared from 65% liquid whole egg with 10% wheat flour and 5% granulated wheat with most acceptable and has an ambient shelf life of about 4 days in vacuum and 3 days in air packs. While at refrigeration temperature, it can be kept well for 10 days in vacuum and 6 days in air packs with satisfactory microbial quality. Now let's discuss some value-added meat products. Cured and smoked meat chicken. Breast chickens are brined, cured for about 48 hours at 4 degrees centigrade, followed by smoking for 4 hours at 45 degrees centigrade with relative humidity maintained at 30% to produce delicious products, have desirable pink color and typical smoky flavor with longer shelf life. Chicken patties. This is a value-added chicken product prepared by utilizing tough meat of culled layers, discontinued breeder stocks, minced meat, fat, binder, condiments and additives are mixed in a homogenizer twice at 15 degrees centigrade to prepare a uniform emulsion, which is molded and finally oven cooked. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets is one of the most favorite chicken value added product among children. It is basically chicken meat based emulsion, more or less similar to chicken patties and molded in the form of square, rectangular or other appealing shapes. Intermediate moisture chicken meat. It is self-stable product developed by emulsion of diced chicken meat in infusion solution containing humectants followed by partial dehydration into a semi-moisture product which can be safely stored for about 2 months at ambient temperature. Chicken chakalona, a delicious ready-to-eat product prepared from combination of spent hen meat, minced about 60%, and pre-marinated tender meat, chicken meat chunks of broiler, along with binder, extended, and seasonings. Chicken meat spread. A spreadable product is prepared with combination of pre-cooked, deboned, minced, spent hand meat, about 80% in combination with cereal starch, egg yolk, seasoning, and permitted food additives, followed by thermal processing for gelatinization of the starch and stabilization of emulsion product. The product has a shelf life of about 12 and 60 days under refrigerated and frozen storage respectively, which means under refrigerated condition it can be stored for 12 days and under frozen condition it can be stored up to 2 months. Marinated chicken breast fillets, a value added product prepared by tumbling the marination of broiler pectoral muscle followed by oven roasting to obtain a ready to eat product. Vinegar based chicken gizzard pickles. Vinegar based chicken gizzard pickle is a low cost protein rich chicken fast food with moderately large shelf life at ambient temperature of about 45 days during summer rainy season at 34 degrees centigrade and 75 days during winter and when the temperature is about 26 degrees centigrade in our country. Cooked chicken stock. This is a cost-effective fast food for instant use by working couples, old people, and highly useful at time of instant need. Here are some suggestions for globalization of these traditional meat products. The indigenous products should be produced within the affordable cost to target group consumers for marketing suitability. Sustainability, knowledge of causes of spoilage of these products is necessary and their control is must. In-depth knowledge on new formulation, processing, optimization, appropriate packaging material and systems as well as refrigeration facilities are essential. Requirement for enhancing the quality of the product. Processing of protein-rich and low-fat meat products like low-fat meatballs, tandoori chicken, etc., have vast market potential due to increasing demands for healthy food. Retort pouch processing has potential application for meat curries, meat biryani, and have a wider distribution in market and marketing. Future potential from traditional meat products. Availability of different meat in abundance for processing, value addition to low value meat cuts and trimming, low investment for production, ease for processing using simple technologies. It increased the demand due to the better standards of living and changing in lifestyle, high consumer response for variety, convenience and nutritious products. That's all for this lecture. Thank you so much.